Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Lesson 14, Reading and True False. I repeat, our today's topic is Lesson 14, Reading and True False. Dear students, look at board. It is our third lecture on annual examination syllabus and SW number 2. I repeat, it is our third lecture on annual examination syllabus and SW number 2. Okay, now give your attention. So all of you open your book, page number 32. The title of our today's passage is Our School, Our Duties. I repeat, title of our today's passage is Our School, Our Duties. So all of you open your social science book, page number 32. Okay, we will read at first, then we will answer the true false. We go to our school every day. We go there to learn. So from there we have learned that we go to school to learn. We love our school. Our school has many classrooms. We have morning, day assembly every day. We sing our national anthem in our assembly. Yes, in our assembly we sing our national anthem. There is a playground in our school. There is a big playground in our school. We play games there. There is a library in our school. There are many books in our library. So what are in our library? There are many books in our library. We read books in the library. That means what do you do in the library? We read books. We love our school like our house. So look at this sentence. We love our school like our house. Our school is a big family. We have duties in our school. So what do we have in our school? We have duties, our responsibilities. There are some rules in our school. So what are in our school? There are some rules in our school. We have to obey those. So what do we have to do? We have to obey the rules, or we have to abide by the rules. Look, the obey, the synonym is obey is abide by. Every day we should go to our school in time. Look at this sentence. We should go to our school in time. That means we never go to our school late. We will come to our school in time or on time. We should wear our clean school uniforms. Look at this sentence. We should wear our clean school uniforms. That means clean school dress. Uniform means school dress. We must take our books, exercise books, pencils and eraser in our school bags. So look, what do we must take in our school bags? Books, exercise books, pencils, eraser. Okay, then we should listen to our class teachers carefully. Look at this sentence. We should listen to our class teachers carefully. If we don't listen our class teachers carefully, we will not understand our teacher's lecture. So we should listen to our class teachers carefully. We also behave well to our classmates. This is very important. We also behave well with to our classmates. We should be friendly with them. So look, we should be friendly with them. That means we should help them in their activities or in teaching learning activities. We should keep our classroom clean. We should not spit on the floors of the classrooms. So look at this sentence. That means we must not make our classroom dirty. We should not spit on the floors of the classrooms. We should take part in our examination and to the annual functions of our school. Look at this sentence. Yes, we must take part in our examinations and to the national functions of our school. We should obey our teachers. Yes, we should respect our teachers, or we must obey our teachers. Last sentence, this will make us to do better in our future lives. I repeat, this will make us, that means if we follow these rules in our lives, that means our life will be better in future. Dear students, now our reading session is done. Now we will go to our true false. So our 4 true false, these true false are based on our passage. So if, okay, I am reading at first, so give your attention. Identify true and false from the following sentences. So look at the first sentence or first statement. We go to school every day. So look at the very beginning. We go to our school every day. So this statement is true. We go to school every day. It is true. You will write like me. True. We should not obey school rules. So we will go to the passage to justify whether it is right or wrong. We should not obey school rules. So look here, there are rules in our school, we have to obey this, not disobey or not obey. It will be we should obey school rules. This is the correct statement, but it is written here not. So the statement is false. We should not obey school rules. This is false. We should take part in the cultural functions of the schools. Okay, we will go to the passage. We should take part in our examinations and to the annual functions of our school. So 3 number statement is true. Last true false. We should respect our teachers. That means we should honor our teacher. Okay, we will go to the passage. We should obey our teachers and we should respect our teachers. So this statement is true. So look at the end of our board. I have given your SW. This is our second SW and our SW is true false. How many true false I have given here? Only 4. Okay. You will write the sentence at first and right side you will write true if the statement is true. Then right side and write the false if the statement is false or wrong. Dear students, now I hope that you have understood the reading and have understood the true false. Do your SW in your specific SW copy and submit it on Sunday, and you will get written this on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.